She's a diamond. She's a diamond girl. She's a diamond. Diamond, diamond, diamond.
Hi YouTube, it's Princess Diamond. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you clicked on this video, hopefully you're here for a blend because that's what we're doing here. I'm showing you the braiding hair brands that I'll be using, and I actually ended up going with the Raw hair for the color 350 instead of that first brand that you guys seen there in the beginning, just because the Raw hair was pre-stretched and I was lazy this day and I did not want to cut and taper the hair. I do not have the original packaging for this color purple, so unfortunately I don't know the brand. This blend request is coming from Kate Mark, who wanted to see the colors purple 33 and the color 350 all blended together. And I thought this was going to be a pretty nice blend because it was something similar to what I've already done. I did a blend called Spiced Cranberry, which used the colors, if I'm remembering it correctly, is 99J, 33, and 350. And so very similar, except we're switching out that 99J and we're actually doing the purple, which is the color 99J already reminds me of like a purplish, it has like a purple tone to it to me. So I thought it was interesting to do this to see how different this blend will come out with actually doing a real purple. If you guys do want to support in some type of way, I do have some t-shirts with Teespring now. I have some I Am t-shirts that say I am blessed, protected, and filled with love and peace. You guys know I usually say that at the end of my videos. And then I do have some t-shirts that say I blend, I braid, I bless. So if you are a blender, a braider, or anything like that, go ahead and check those out in the description below. And I will stop talking and allow you guys to watch the rest of this video, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. Let me know what you think. And as always, I hope you guys stay blessed, stay protected, stay filled with love and peace. I'll talk to y'all in my next video. Bye.